Welcome back to channel Auto Road Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda NC750X, a motorcycle that perfectly blends style, performance, and affordability. Let's start with the design. The NC750X retains its adventure bike DNA with a rugged yet sleek exterior that exudes confidence on and off the road. Honda has updated the fairing and lighting, giving the bike a sharper and more modern appearance. The full LED headlight, redesigned windscreen, and improved ergonomics make it not just practical but a head-turner as well. The new paint schemes add a fresh touch, making the bike stand out in any crowd. When it comes to performance, the NC750X doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 745cc parallel twin engine, offering a refined balance of power and efficiency. With 58 horsepower and a torque-rich power band, this bike is as comfortable cruising on highways as it is tackling twisty backroads. Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, remains a standout feature, providing seamless shifts whether you're in automatic or manual mode. For those who prefer a traditional feel, a manual transmission version is also available. The NC750X handles superbly, thanks to its updated suspension setup. The front fork and rear shock have been tuned to provide better comfort and control, especially on uneven terrains. It feels stable in corners and offers confidence-inspiring braking, courtesy of its ABS-equipped disc brakes. Riders will appreciate the comfortable seat height and upright riding position, making it ideal for long trips or daily commutes. Additionally, the bike's storage space in the foretank compartment continues to be a practical highlight, fitting a full-face helmet or essential gear. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Honda NC750X starts at around $9,500 for the base manual model, with the DCT version priced slightly higher at approximately $10,300. For what it offers, this is exceptional value in the adventure touring segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the NC750X provides a versatile and enjoyable experience. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Honda NC750X. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Road Reviews for more content like this. Ride safe and see you in the next one.